No more police brutality. No more SARS. No more SARS.
No to police brutality.
No police brutality. Stop killing our youth. Stop killing our future. Stop destroying our futures.
What do you want?
No more police brutality.
Keep moving, keep moving. Ìyàwó adájí. Wọ́n sọ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tútù báyìí ló máa ń yọ ìdápò. Nítorí ẹ̀ la ṣe ń ṣe fún dájú bí mo ṣe wà bí wọ́n ṣe wà passport kan la ní Nigerian passport. Dájú àmọ̀ fáwọn ọmọ tí ní another passport lọ sí Nigerian passport. So àwọn olùkí táwa ń lọ ibi ìnílé fún wa. Ilé òní passport ní ìyàtọ̀ sí Nigerian passport. Tèmi tọ́pẹ́ ọjọ́ mi ò ní. Àwọn alábàdàn ẹjọ́ torí ọlọ́run ẹni kíkún jà ẹjọ́ torí ọlọ́run.
Over to you.
Well, Mama Ire has spoken. I'm also Baba Ire. I have a young daughter, her name is Ire. I don't want her to grow in this kind of Nigeria, where she cannot tint her head the way she wants it, where she cannot tint the car that she wants to drive. Please, we beg of you, no more killing. We only do not want justice to end. We want police brutality to end. We don't want you to kill us again. We want to be respected. We want to be free to work. We want to be to exercise. We want to be able to drive around.
Yes. A 2-year and an outside. Thank you, my brother. We want end to police brutality, and we will not stop until we get it. The governor has promised he is going to speak with the president. As a matter of fact, we want even state police. We want state police.
You are tired.
Yes.
You're tired.
Yes. We don't want no lip service on any side. We want serious actions.
Say end police brutality, yes to life, end SARS,
Yes.
end police brutality.
Yes.
That is what we are saying.
End torture in police stations.
Yes, it's clear. And where we are going is clear. Yes to life, end police brutality.
People. So, and that is why we are here today, to tell the federal government, this is what we want, this is what we need, that they should end police brutality. And I don't think this is too much for federal government to do. Yes, they always say, government is for the people, by the people, and for the people. I think we have rights, we have our voice to speak out, to tell the federal government what we want. And that is why we are here today. And that is why great people are here today. And that is why fantastic actors, celebrities, wonderful citizens of this country out there everywhere in Nigeria, that is why they came out to speak out that they must end police brutality.
We will not go give you Malaika in the house. Big respect, big respect, big respect. Get that go. Get that Come to your neighbor, say neighbor, oh. Say neighbor, oh. Your energy they fail you. Say no to police brutality. Don't let us fight. Let's continue the way we are doing it. Up Nigeria. Up youth. Up Nigeria. Up youth. Head what? Head what?